Uh-huh, honey.
See you all around my way. Been just way too shy. I gotta make you see this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the look you just saw. First step, I like to use my watermelon brightening serum from Milk. Love this stuff. Really love it. And then I'm just going to massage it into my face.
Feel me.
Next, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, the hydrating version, and I'm going to rub it all in. I am going to double prime. Am I lying? Is the Farsali considered a primer? I don't know. We're going to say double prime. I'm using the liquid powder in place of my setting powder. So, we're going to see how this really works. And I'm just going to press it. And you want to use a little bit, don't use a lot, and just put it on the areas you need the oil control. Don't spread it all over your face. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the original soft matte version in the color 385. And I'm using a Real Techniques buffing brush to buff it all out. You want to make sure your foundation is blended. So I do spend a little bit of time, a bit of time on this step. So now I'm going to take my ABHXAMREZY palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to use the color New Yorker. And I'm going to apply that onto my crease and blending out. I'm using the Sigma brushes from the Trend Mood collab box. Trend Mood collab? Yeah. It was a collab. And then I'm using the, I don't know how to pronounce this one. Samsea? I don't know. It's the pink matte color in the eyeshadow palette. And I'm also applying that on my crease and blending it out with the same two brushes.
Cavalier.
Don't know if you got a girl.
Yes, I'm still blending. I know you're like, girl, come on now. Yes, I am still blending. I am buffing that eyeshadow out. You want to make sure your eyeshadow is blended, sweetie. Like, blend it. And now I'm taking another brush to just really buff out the ends of that pink so it's transitions smoothly. Now I'm taking the shade, oh dang, I forgot the name of it. It's called Cupcake. I'm taking the shade Cupcake and I'm using one of the brushes that I got from Become Beauty Queens. I'll insert a link in my description. And I am going to cut my crease. I did not use the traditional method as to apply concealer first. The shade was so smooth, I cut it straight with that. And then I'm going back with Samsea, girl, I don't know how to pronounce that shade. And I am blending it into the pink. Now I'm taking a Sigma pencil brush and I'm using the shade Leo and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Oh my god, these shimmers are so beautiful. And then I'm taking the pink again and buffing it under the blue and it's going to create like a blue purple. I really was in love with this look. I did that. Now I'm taking some Laura Mercier mascara and I'm going to put mascara on. And then at the bottom lashes, I'm using the TifanyViolet lash primer because I want my bottom lashes to pop without having to add falsies. Now I'm going to take my lashes from Become Beauty Queen as well. Take you from bitch to bitch. And I'm going to apply them on my lashes. They are perfect mix between a little pap, a little dramatic, but not too much, like the perfect everyday lashes. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier brush and Fresco and I'm going to blush it on up. And now my NYX Marshmallow Lip Gloss is like a lavender. It's really pretty and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to highlight using Spectra from the Aurora palette, Anastasia of course. And that's the final look. Add some setting spray, Cover FX, the high performance setting spray, and that's it. So this is the complete look. I used the Anastasia palette, as you know, because you watched this whole tutorial. But if you fast forward, see, look, I'm still looking out for you. You fast forward through my whole video. Now you're here. Now you're trying to figure out what colors did she use. Look, just rewind. Just rewind. But no, honestly, look how pretty this came out. I didn't even physically have to cut my crease like with concealer first. I just took the shimmer and just, baby, honey, sweetie, gorgeous. It's definitely a must-have. I'm glad, actually glad another one is coming, because I'm gonna need 2 of these. I find myself hitting pan. The liquid powder, I'm excited to see, you know, check my forehead region. Y'all know I always set with powder first, so I'm excited to see what my forehead and my nose and my upper lip will be looking like in like 6 hours from now, 7 hours from now. So y'all like, you guys like it? Spit out your gum, Tiffany. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys sitting through this long ass video. You know I like to talk. Hopefully the I don't even got nothing else to say. Tiffany, just bye. See you next time.
Got tracksuits, Rock Lee. Got swipes, hoes, not me. Nah, birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Birds in the coop with that who getting Patron. Birds in the trap line, birds in the phone. Bitch, I'm a bird.